we have amongst us Mr. Venkat Suresh Babu, who is VP Business Development at AI. Thank you, Mr. Suresh, for joining us today. Suresh, please take over.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sridhar. Good afternoon, everyone who is actually on this session today. As Sridev introduced, actually, Atel Labs is in a 2-year-old startup providing end-to-end solutions based on artificial intelligence with differentiated business models to enable the faster adoption of these technology, which everybody is talking about. In achieving this goal, we found several problems, and one of them is the cost-effective compute, as most of the offerings are pushing data to the cloud to perform the compute. As everyone understands, the cloud-based platforms brings latency and higher network costs, which are not suitable for industries where real-time decision making is important. One other alternative most of the proponents give is where computing sensors, but which is limited to due to the power constraints and form factors, etc., which are not suitable for broader future-proof solutions. And that's where I think, as everybody talking about the edge processing today, which is to meet these critical problems. And in this process, Atel Labs actually come up with this edge computing platform called AtEdge, and with an elaborate software support to fasten the deployment. And this provides all these critical benefits that, such as the expandable compute, where we can add the compute as needed, and low latency in decision making, and lower network costs, and as well as the operational cost. So the following, I will be playing in a video now, which will going to give you the details about the complete AtEdge platform.
AtEdge is an AtEdge is an innovative edge computing platform built to realize the potential of real-time business solutions using AI. AtAI is an applied AI company providing real-time business solutions by integrating technology, platform, and digitalization. We took a data center scale-out architecture and squeezed it into mobile GPUs, modified open source for cluster AI processing, and turned it into a lightweight AI supercomputer. AtAI's blueprint enables customers to train models within their firewalls and deploy securely at the edge. Appliance eliminates the expense and logistic constraints for transporting voluminous data files to the cloud. Data producers are in the form of images, videos, and audio. Benefits of parallel inference include power consumption of less than 100 watts, speed, 75 times faster multi-stage networks, accuracy, high volumes of large images trimmed into smaller clips, pipeline, fine-grained small subnets are easier to train and update than giant clumsy models. AtEdge 1.0 comprises of an Intel i3 CPU with 6 NVIDIA GPUs. It also has PCIe and Ethernet connectivity with a high-performance orchestration software that has a power consumption of 170 watts. AtEdge 2.0 consists of 6 NVIDIA GPUs coupled with PCIe and Ethernet connectivity that consumes power of 100 watts. Our Cube device has 4 NVIDIA GPUs with a wireless mesh connectivity operating at 45 watts of power. AtEdge's 1.0 architecture is built with a combination of a motherboard and a carrier board. 6x TX2 carrier board for AtEdge includes TX2 module slots, IDT PCIe switch, micro USB, and an Ethernet switch that are combinedly used to connect and access each Tegra TX2. AtEdge's 2.0's architecture is slightly modified to replace the motherboard with a host. AtEdge comes along with an open software architecture supporting all the popular software frameworks at application level to deploy any deep learning or OpenCV workload with a single click. A web-based interface for easy configuration and monitoring of the AI workloads continuously from anywhere. This interface gives flexibility to view the assets in physical view, that is, based on location of sensors, computing, etc. Logical View provides the binding of the sensors and compute and helps user to understand the load on each AtEdge. Entire chain of sensors to the compute can be traced and view the entire chain from data flow perspective. Deploying and scheduling of the AI applications can be performed. Performance monitoring, uptimes, memory utilization, CPU utilization at edge level, and to the finest level granularity like each GPU instance can be monitored. Workload can be balanced automatically through the orchestration layer or manually based on the choice. A proprietary orchestration layer at cluster is built on top of AtEdge's hardware platform that brings all the standard operating system tools to execute efficiently on the hardware. AtEdge's unique value proposition moves interface to the location to deal with high volume and velocity of unstructured data, brings parallel architecture to the edge for high performance compute, brings a low power and low footprint hardware which enables easy deployment, eliminating need for specialized power, space, or cooling, scalable from small to large production deployments.
Yeah, I think as you have seen the video where we have completely described the AtEdge platform, which is an edge computing platform which is built ground up by the ATI Labs. And this actually brings the compute and a software architecture amenable for end-to-end AI pipeline deployment. And this is the core building block of our ATI solution offering today. And one of the focus vertical for providing the solutions for ATI is the supply chain and logistics industry. And this industry is very cost sensitive, and decision making needs to happen in the real time. And for an end-to-end optimization, a multi-site information is required. So we at a has brought up a solution called ETCO for the supply chain and logistics industry to bring digitalization, enhancement of operational efficiency through AI, and continuous visibility to all the stakeholders. And EdEdge powered the solution along with IoT sensors to bring critical benefits required for this industry and solving some of the key pain points. So we can demonstrate this ETCO solution in this video.
Ports are a key participant in keeping the supply chain ecosystem flowing, and ATCO has developed an AI-powered system to keep the operational wheel running. During gate-in, our system meticulously captures vehicle license plate, hazard category, container number and ISO code, seal detection and count, and overall container health survey. Our ATEdge system infers all the container data captured by vision sensors to provide real-time insight for decision making. Our system ensures seamless integration of gate system with other TOS for complete command and control center for gate operations. Upon entry into the yard, ATCO uses available container data to calculate an optimized yard location for each container. The CHEs are assigned in real time in order to place the containers in the allocated positions. The goal is to use space efficiently, keep retrieval distances short so that containers are easily available for further transport, reduce the number of rehandlers, and reduce fuel consumption considerably. Special requirements for hazardous cargo and reefers are automatically taken into account. Immediate alert notifications are generated in case of any discrepancies. ATCO's edge and location sensors help ATEdge to process the data to determine the exact location and the container-related information that provides real-time visibility of container motion, thus reducing the average number of unproductive moves by 40%. Our yard management system enables real-time optimization, resulting in efficient utilization of terminal space even at peak periods. This also results in reduced energy consumption and carbon footprint in the order of 8 metric tons for a medium-sized container terminal each day. Rake is a common ingress and egress method for containers. Our inferencing system ensures seamless loading and unloading of containers from the rake by assigning jobs dynamically to the container handling equipment on duty. ATCO system captures wagon number, container numbers of all the containers on wagon, wagon number to container number mapping, and trailer ID. ATEDGE infers all the container and wagon data captured by our sensors to provide real-time insights and analytics for instant decision making. Each equipment receives an optimized sequence of job orders for smooth functioning. This reduces travel distances and improves on schedule performance. ATCO's survey app assists in recording seal count, seal intactness, and seal number. Our system enables warehouses have high volumes of goods coming in and going out round the clock. Efficient utilization and management of warehouse space is crucial for operational continuity. Our system effortlessly captures cargo loading and unloading count and monitors damaged cargo, ensuring seamless mapping to container for export and import. ATCO's system calculates and captures the time at which any package was stored in the warehouse. Additionally, it provides real-time data of cargo actual positions, volumes, and efficient space utilization for better inventory and possible bottlenecks identification. Our warehousing solution for a rack-mounted warehouse provides efficient management of stock, leakage detection, dwell-time curtailment for smooth flow of stock. Our computer vision-based AI technology ensures end-to-end operational efficiency and greater accuracy across the value chain the AI way. ATCO, powered by ATEDGE through real-time AI, enhances supply chain and logistics industry.
Hello. So these are the two products that we would like to demonstrate as of today. The ATEDGE, which is the edge compute platform, and another solution, the ATCO, which is powered by ATEDGE for some of the supply chain and logistics industries.
Thank you, Suresh Garu. This was really nice. Thank you so much. This was really nice. And thank you for your time.
Thank you, Sridhari.
Have a lovely day.